first is you need to choose on what do you want to import. Is it digital video from camera, videos, pictures, or audio? So first we need to select pictures. We browse it in our library, then click import. So here is your images. Then you would select audio or music if you want to accompany your slideshow with music. After that, you need to drag the images here at the timeline. So just drag the images that you want. You can also import other images if you want. After selecting your images, you can now add your desired music. Then we can add effects. Effects are implemented to images, so this is what they look like. If you add transition, it is what the image look like if the next image would show. For example, you would apply transition to this image. You can select any transition you want. Then you can try to play it. So you can add more images. Add more images to complete the first stanza and the chorus of the song. Then add transition. You can click where your photos has ended and click split. Then you have to cut this part. After that, if you are satisfied with your work, you can add titles. For example, you want to add title and at the beginning. You can just type a title, then add. So if you're satisfied with your work, click publish to this computer. You can change the file name, then browse in where do you want this video to be saved. Okay, then so you can select best quality or compress, then publish. So you have to wait for the publishing of your movie. If this reach 100%, the publishing of your movie is complete and you can watch it in your computer.